Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Home Bargains checking out what's new for January, including the brand new Hinch Home collection. If you don't know who Mrs. Hinch is, she's one of the UK's biggest Instagram creators with over 5 million followers, best known for her cleaning hacks and home inspiration. She's just launched a brand new collection in collaboration with Home Bargains, and I'm going to show you what it's really like in store, share my honest thoughts and let you know if it's worth a trip. I'll also be showing you the sweetest smelling, most gorgeous candle, all the new bits and some brilliant storage finds that are perfect for January. So grab yourself a drink, keep warm and let's get started. Finally, my store had this print in. I think it's fantastic value for £12.99. I have a similar one above my bed, but that was about 30 quid from Dunelm. It's really giving me Studio McGee vibes. £12.99. It did come out last year, but I've never seen it in the flesh, and I think it's really good. This is the Hinch Home Lifestyle Edit, which is exclusive to Home Bargains. My store had quite a lot of it in, not everything, but a good amount. So I'm going to show you everything they had in store. A few of these are also available online, so check on the website. First up with the candles. I did really like these. I like the design. They felt quite considered. This one was Duvet Day. I really like the scent. It was clean, soft and cozy. It came in a few different sizes as well. This one was the large 3-wick candle, which was £12.99, and the smaller was £3.99. Pretty standard for that size of candle. The other scent was called After Dark. I'm going to be honest, this one wasn't to my taste, but the shelf was completely empty, so clearly it's a very popular scent. This one came in a £3.99 size, and it does also come in a mid-size at £5.99, but they only had this one in my store. They also had diffusers. The packaging, I'm going to give this 10 out of 10. They didn't have the Duvet Day diffuser, which is the one I probably would have bought had they had it in stock. They had this one though, and I really did think the packaging was really good. They also had some really good homeware pieces. There was a small ceramic lamp. This was £9.99 and it came with the shade. The colour was very soft and neutral, easy to style and quite timeless. It's the kind of lamp that would sit really well on a bedside table or a small side table without dominating the space. It also came in a much larger size, which would work well if you wanted something with a bit more presence in a room, and it was £19.99. They also had some cushions. This OT blue toned pleated ruffle trim cushion was really pretty. It had a soft plump inner, so it felt comfortable as well as looking good. The pleated detail added a bit of texture without feeling overdone. The cushions are actually a really generous size, which I personally love because they look more considered on a sofa or a bed. They also had a throw for £19.99. This was really soft to touch, and it was available online at the time of filming. Funnily enough, 2 ladies literally ran past me when I was filming, loaded their trolleys with these throws and cushions. They're clearly huge fans. It was basically the homeware version of Supermarket Sweep. They had some picture frames, and this was very smart buying. If you're a Mrs. Hinch fan but you're watching and you're on a budget, these are a great option. They were £1.49, it came in 2 sizes and felt surprisingly solid for the price point. They also had some glass candle holders for $2.99. Old me, Kirsty 2025, would definitely have popped one in the basket, but I'm being a lot more considered with my purchase this year, so I left it behind. Having said that, for $2.99, it felt really good quality. They also had some floral pieces. I'd say this is very typical Home Bargains quality, not trend setting, but absolutely presentable. The ribbed vase was $7.99 and it looked well finished for the price point. Next was the glassware. They had these in packs of 2 for $4.99. Very classic styles, not massively different from ones I've seen before in Home Bargains, but really practical if you're after affordable everyday glasses. My store had them in the wine glass style and tumbler. The tumblers are quite chunky with a flat base and a really good shape. They felt like the kind of glasses you wouldn't worry about using daily, which is always a bonus. Then we move on to the ceramics. I did see a comment saying the stickers can take a while to come off, but they are dishwasher safe. The colour palette was very neutral, so easy to mix in with existing tableware. The shapes were a little more interesting than your standard basic sets without being too out there. The bowls were $3.49, the side plates were $2.49, and the dinner plates were $3.99. The dinner plates were actually quite heavy for the price and felt well made when you pick them up. Very practical, very versatile, and easy to live with. They also had ready-made flower bunches for $6.99. They're a great option if you're going around to someone's house and want a quick gift. The mix including chrysanthemums and versatile all year round foliage. I think they'd look even better if they were wrapped in brown paper or hessian, but as they are, they're a really good buy. I didn't pick any up because I've already got plenty in my house, but for $6.99 they are well worth a look. An item I think I probably would have bought would have been this little tea light holder. It was $2.99. Sadly, none in my stores, so keep a lookout because I think that's a really lovely find. They had some bedding. I'm not the biggest fan of bedding from Home Bargains, but let me know if you are. They had a double for $24.99. It was fairly neutral, and they had it in a king size for $29.99. It came in a little storage bag, which I suppose you could reuse, which was nice. Then they had a basket. This was Henry's basket. I think it's designed for you to put your doggy toys in. It was $14.99. It had a good structure, a metal frame so it would keep its shape, and this little black panel at the front, which I think is designed so you can write on it with a chalk pen, and that was $14.99. One of the other hero products I think is this blue cushion. It's massively on trend for this year. It was really large. It had a lovely blue velvet back to it, and for $14.99 I thought that was a really good price considering the size of it, and it was super soft. And finally, they had a vase. It was very nice for $5.99. Classic Home Bargains vase. You can't go wrong. Let me know what you think about the collection. Are you going to be popping in? Has your store got literally nothing? Because a lot of comments saying they've launched and some stores didn't have anything. Let me know what you think. I'm going to give this a solid 7 out of 10. I was looking at these and I bumped into a subscriber. It was so nice to speak to you. You know who you are, and we had a good old chat and decided that these candles that were $3.99 that smell good enough to eat would make the perfect butter dish for people who make their own butter like I do. So I picked one of these up. They had it in a lovely blueberry and a strawberry. I bought the strawberry for my mother and I'm going to keep the raspberry for myself. They had a really clever blanket which actually looks like a pillow and then folds out into a blanket. So if you're one of the people that doesn't like to have blankets lying all over the place, once you finish with it, you can fold it up into a pillow and no one will even know. On my way out, I spotted these orchids that were $7.99. They do come in lots of different colours. They only had this colour in my store, but they're the real touch. So they look so realistic for $7.99, which I think is actually cheaper than buying a real one. At least you know it's not going to dry out when you forget to water it. And then they had these really big ones. No prices. Looked online, can't find it. Let me know in the comments if you've seen this, how much it is. But it was fantastic. I'm going to guess it was maybe $29.99, but it was really good. Look the part. One of the best items over the last couple of years has been the candles and the dupes that they sell. This is the first time though I've spotted a good selection of the sprays in, which are really good. I did pick up one from the range a couple of weeks ago, so I didn't need one, but for $1.99 they're really good as room fragrances. The $6.99 size is fab. They only had the pomegranate in, and I was after a lime, basil and mandarin. They had it in the little one, which do make great gifts for only $2.49, and they are still my favourite. And I also spotted this, hadn't seen this before in my store, this really nice light up diffuser for only $12.99. So I am back with my very small haul. I picked up a couple of bakery bits. I really love these, and the children love these chocolate croissant things. I also bought these. They were £1 for the chickens. They absolutely love them, and it's the most affordable place to buy them. The Hinch home collection, this is all I bought, but it does smell lovely, and I've just packed away all my candles. So I think after I've burnt it, it's also a really nice storage pot as well. So I picked that up, but let me know what you think about the collection. I got some gloves for only £1 because it's so cold. Picked up a coat for Teddy. It's going to be interesting me trying to film him wearing it, but I will try. He just needed a little puffer coat just because it's so cold when we take him out. And then I picked up this little narcissi fake plant. I buy these every year. They flower for 2 days and then they die. So I thought, well, I'll get one of these and then it'll look prettier for much longer in the spring. And then these absolutely beautiful candles. I absolutely love them. They smell so nice. $3.99. One for me, one for the Granny Annex, and I'm going to burn them and then I'm going to use them for butter dishes. They are the perfect size and shape as I make my own butter. So let me know in the comments what you think. Did you like the Hinch home collection? You've already picked up some bits. Let me know. Give me your honest review in the comments. I'd love to know what you think. Thank you very much for watching. I've got so much more content coming, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I shall see you on the next video.